Struggling with performance issues in the bedroom? You're not alone. But what if I told you the answer might not be in a pill, but on a yoga mat? Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men, both physically and emotionally. But ancient science gives us hope. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful yoga poses that can improve blood flow, reduce stress, and naturally enhance your sexual performance. Plank pose strengthens your core and improves stamina. It also enhances pelvic blood flow, a key to better erections. Bow pose opens up the chest, stimulates the reproductive organs, and boosts testosterone levels. A powerful move for sexual health. Cobra pose relaxes your lower back, strengthens the spine, and improves circulation in the pelvic region. A great stress reliever too. This pose targets the abdominal and pelvic muscles, helping with better control, endurance, and confidence in bed. Bridge pose is known to stimulate the thyroid gland and pelvic muscles. It's excellent for boosting libido and relieving anxiety. A deep twist that enhances spinal flexibility and tones abdominal organs, supporting reproductive function and detoxification. This gentle pose stretches the inner thighs and groin, increasing flexibility and improving circulation to your intimate areas. These poses, when done regularly, can transform not just your physical strength, but your confidence, relationships, and self-worth. Natural, drug-free, and deeply healing. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Your body and your partner will thank you. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more natural health tips. And remember, a strong mind and body create a strong love life.